You know the place, West Green, here we are. There's grandson Jake. He's helping me. Got another hole, Jake?
Yep.
Good boy. You reckon you can drill another hole through there? Oh, hang on, Jake. Can you get through?
Yep.
You doing alright, Jake?
Yep.
Just keep your fingers away, Jake. The speed bore's not the sharpest tool in the shed. I've known a few people like that, Jake. Oh, you put your tongue out. You're just like a roe. That's what, you know what, that's a roe gene. Sticking your tongue out when you're concentrating. Put it through. What a man. He's gone and done it. It's Steve here at West Green. Or is it Manivanadian Sivara Subramaniam? I've been working on West Green. And I've got my able-bodied assistant here today, Jake. Here we are at West Green. And here's Jake, my grandson. How old are you, Jake?
7.
Come and have a look. Say hello.
Hello.
And what we've done today...
Where does it stop?
Don't go past there. Don't smash into the buffers, Jake. Otherwise it's coming out your pocket money. Go on, you can go. There you go. So what I've done, all this is hooked up to this controller here. So all I've got to do is connect it up to my DCC now. And I've identified all my point wiring. I've got one, that's a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just going to build my control panel now with switches, and it's all good. We've done well, Jake, haven't we?
Yep. This is free spin. Pretty fast. Oh, you can see inside.
Yeah, it's got a glowing firebox. That stays on all the time when it runs on DC. See, DCC. Oh, blimey! What is happening?
Racing.
Jake, oh, you smashed. Oh, blimey.
I'm the worst driver.
Jake, slow it down a bit.
You're not allowed to do this on a roof, Jake.
You're a petrol head, Jake, or a coal head.
I'm waste time.
Make it go slower coming back. Jake's been helping me. Jake's help. Oh, Jake. It's not even. Go on, make it come back. Not too fast this time. Oh, there you go.
Is that good?
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Not too fast.
It's a slow-mo.
Slow-mo. You've done a lot of work, Jake, on our railway. Hey, who's drilled the holes? Who helped make the boards?
You can have to.
But he's done some soldering.
You can have 10.
Alright, you're going to watch your guitar.